Hello, everybody. My name is Harmeet Singh, and I'm conducting this project by myself. So, starting with my project, I choose the organization SafeWay, which is located in Prince Rupert. The organization I choose is SafeWay. The organization is based on food chain industry. It's a Canadian national-wide grocery store located in every city in Canada. I'm choosing Safeway, which is located in Prince Rupert. Reason why I'm choosing Safeway Prince Rupert is because it's in a situation where Safeway is losing employees in a bunch every month. And as an expert, I will choose an appropriate managerial strategy for Safeway to attract new employees and retain its old employees. Now, their current and most appropriate managerial strategy. I personally took interview with low-level employees as well as supervisors in Safeway. As per as my research, I am sure Safeway is currently using classical managerial strategy as Safeway's only target is productivity. According to my point of view, I personally think Safeway should follow human relation managerial strategy as it is more flexible and currently used by many big organizations who deal in grocery and food supplies. These these are some major challenges facing the organization. Number one, Safeway cannot retain its employees for long term. Safeway is not that appealing to the employees. No benefits to the employees who target Safeway for a long term. No extra pay benefit for hardworking employees. No compensation, higher pays. So to overcome these challenges, I have recommended some reward and compensation strategy, which Safeway should use and implement their system. I would like to recommend Safeway to announce top three employees every month that can perform multiple tasks and be fast and active at work, and that top three employees should be rewarded with extra benefit like extra vacation, paid leaves, free gift coupon. For this reward strategy to work, I would recommend Safeway to use indirect pay like Safeway's gift card or any other brand gift card to those top three employees every month as a compensation. Safeway can also add some extra portion to their salary as a performance pay in their payroll. And I personally recommend Safeway to reward top three employees every month, because looking at this rewards system, more and more employees will be interested in working with Safeway, and the new employees as well as the old one will have a fair competition amongst them to get the reward next month, coming month. By applying this strategy, Safeway will definitely increase its production and retain its employees. To continue, I would also like to suggest Safeway to use those reward strategy in present as well as in future. I would also suggest Safeway to advertise through all social media, job sites, as well as Safeway's bulletin about this reward strategy, so that every new employee will have their first priority as working as Safeway. On major potential risk associated with this change will be, initially there will be a strong competition among the employees to win this reward. So I personally think there might be differences or some chaos amongst the employees. Now, moving on, how will Safeway evaluate jobs of each employees, how they are working and how hard they are working? So I suggest Safeway to use human relation managerial strategies as told earlier. By this strategy, Safeway will have track of each employee about their performance, intensity of work, hard work and skills they have in detail. Because in a human relation managerial strategy, uh, most of the managers have the direct contact with their employees. By using this strategy, Safeway can easily reward top three employees of their month without any mistakes or without anyone's pressure. If if I evaluate jobs, Safeway mostly has unskilled jobs. So the base pay is also the minimum, like $15.20, which is BC's minimum wage. If we talk about unskilled jobs in this town, Prince Rupert, I spoke to many employees in this town who works unskilled, but they're paid like 17, $18 an hour. To implement this rewards system, the first assistant manager of SAFE has to take the charge, and to train supervisors. They will also have to keep daily record of their employees, daily, like they're working 8-hour shifts. So in 8-hour shifts, how much part of work they can do in this particular time. So they should have their daily track of their employees. Evaluation process is very easy at Safeway, where daily work and same task, repetitive task on their 8-hour shift, so they can easily evaluate each employee's work on that particular time period. Finally, to sum up, I would conclude by advising Safeway to adopt this reward system as soon as possible and implement on human relationship managerial strategy if Safeway wants to increase their production rate. Um, every employee in this high raise rent and grocery world wants a good paying salary, even though he is unskilled. What is the local market? if if Safetech checks as a local market, um, today's local market in Prince Rupert is very competitive. Everybody wants to retain its employees. Safeway needs to be more appealing to the market by implementing some extra reward programs in their base pay to retain its employee. As today, COVID has a bad effect in the local market everywhere around the world. Until a year, whole market was closed, like restaurant, malls, casinos, etc. Now every big organization are asking for employees, and competitively they are paying high wage to the new employees to retain them for a long time. In this case, the employees working on low wages, companies are resigning their company and joining highly paid jobs. So as there is more and more competition in the market, I would also prefer Safeway to increase its pay, some additional extra pay. Thank you so much.